Well, good day, everybody. Hope you all are doing well. Got a little project update for you. Give you a rundown on what's going on right now. Working on the last big exterior project. Can't wait to get it done. But first, Ollie S and Eric C, thank you so much for your continued support of the channel, helping to keep the videos coming and keep the project going. Oh, so close to finishing the exterior, at least all the big stuff. Still got lights, have to recoat of paint, need to put the exhaust tip or exhaust port in for the diesel heater. Still a lot of little things, but almost done with all the big stuff. I can't wait. So what are we working on right now? We are working on the flatbed. Look at that, all framed out. Right now I'm inside working, or that's my next task is to get on SketchUp and figure out the angles. I want to come up 8 inches. It'll give me plenty of room from the top of the tire to the bottom of the wheel well. When the bags are fully deflated, should leave me like an extra inch. So there'll be plenty of room, but yeah, I gotta figure out the angles. It's a pretty easy thing to do. I just want to make sure I get the angles right where, you know, for the pitch that I want this to be at. Yeah, I need to figure out all the angles in SketchUp. I'm gonna make 2 of them for both sides. Gonna put some, I might have enough 16 gauge steel left to make those. If not, I'll have to go pick up just a small sheet. And then I gotta figure out something for the sides here to close these off. Then we'll get some thick 3/4 inch pressure treated plywood. 3/4 inch, maybe an inch. Does it get that thick? It might be too thick, it's probably not necessary. I'm not putting too much weight on the back. But in the future, I do plan to have some toolboxes, some locking toolboxes. Ding, 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 ding. Maybe you have to find a way to get around that fuel fill. Or maybe I could put 2 on the back and a couple right there. Not too much stuff, but I would like to have some storage for like most of my basic tools. I'm not gonna carry too many things with me, but I want the basics. So yeah, that feels really good, having that all framed up and seeing it. It's like, yes, finally. Flatbed action happening. Wheel wells, some sheet metal, plywood bolted down. I already got all the bolt holes drilled for going through the frame. There's 8 of them. Oh, 10 of them. Include these. Way out here, I'm going to chop these tips off. Chop that off so it's a little skinnier than the body. And I love it. I think that looks awesome. Good and sturdy. It's 1/8 inch thick, 1.5 inch square tube. Last big project on the exterior, unless you include painting. That's always a doozy. I hate painting, but it's not a big deal. Just roll it out, get it done. Boy, the front did not do too well. The more it dried, the more it cured, the more it got this crinkly stuff going on. Put it on too thick right here, I guess, or something. You see here I did a little touch up with the 2-inch brush when I picked off a bug, and I kind of scraped the paint and I just kind of dabbed it with the brush a little bit. Really wasn't that much, but maybe it's not about how thick it is, but it's about putting fresh paint over partially cured paint. I need to look at the instructions on that. But now they're all covered up because of the paint. I was pouring on that side of the can. Now all the instructions are covered in paint. So yeah, that kind of bugs me a little bit. All this crinkliness, that looks bad. I was okay with some of the runs. But I really don't care too much. I mean, this, you know, trees are constantly dropping stuff off of them. There's bugs everywhere on here. At least there was. I picked a bunch of them off. There's one. There's one. There's a bunch right here. So I'm not, you know, like, once again, I'm not too worried about it. It was a quick get it done job. You know, it's just the worst place to paint. There's all this crap coming off the trees, spiders, flying insects. I'm still pretty happy with it, but yeah, because of this, I'm more than likely will come back and sand all this down at some point when I have my property. I plan to make a couple more of those giant hoists, you know, or the hoist crane thing that I made. I want to make 3 of those and make like just a real simple covered area out of those. Be 3 of those. I still got the measurements too. I'm gonna make it the same, just make the same thing. I want to make it a little wider though, so gonna make some wider versions of those hoists just to drape some tarps over the top, down the sides, rope it down to the ground so it doesn't blow over or blow the tarps away. You know, once I get property, I'll just make a quick, cheap little shop. And then we'll paint this proper. But yeah, outside, or yeah, maybe if I'm in a better location even. Because it's just real dirty and just infested out here with all sorts of bugs and crap. And yeah, so later on I'll sand this down, repaint it, because there are some areas that you really can't tell unless you get up close. So most of it turned out good. I'm real happy with a lot of it. It's just this looks real bad. This will get some sanding in the future, and we'll recoat it and do a better job. I was rushing this pretty good. Still happy with it. Got it done quick in one go. Need to read the instructions and figure out if the recoat times on this. Need to figure out why this crinkly stuff is happening, because it's all, you know, I don't think it was extra thick right here for, you know, I don't know why it would be extra thick right here. I think it's just that this maybe I went over it with the roller, some fresh paint over some partially cured paint, and that's just not a good combo. I don't know, I need to figure it out. If anybody knows, let me know what I did wrong. Again, it's just, it looks great to me. If I put all that time into making this paint look really good, and just to have a bunch of bugs get stuck to it and a bunch of tree, it's a bug that got in there really good, tree debris, it would have been frustrating to say the least. So it's perfect for this situation. The paint's perfect. Later on, we'll sand some of this crinkly stuff. It's actually happened on the body too, in a couple areas. I think the same thing happened here, where I went over it with a second coat, but I recoated at the wrong time. Then after that, I think I want to tackle the tanks. That's the next big thing. Just getting those tanks in, strapped down and plumbed up. Really not too big a deal. I just need to figure out, there's some figuring out to do. So I want to get that done and out of the way. Tanks, floor, and then we can move on to all the little things like lights, wiring, appliances, shower and toilet. That's gonna be a little bit of a job, a little figuring out there to do, but nothing compared to the rest of it. To everything else I had to do, that'll be still pretty easy. Somebody mentioned getting a foam roller for doing this paint. I might try that. I might get something with a little less nap to it, or a little less, something that doesn't hold as much paint. Maybe that's what's happening. Rollers I'm using are putting down so much paint that it's going on a little too thick. I want to do a live stream at some point. I haven't live streamed with you guys in a while. There's I haven't been on Discord for like a month either. Just haven't been feeling very talkative, or it's just because I'm busy. I don't know, but I want to live stream with you guys here at some point. So, you know, I like doing the live streams. Those are really fun. So stay tuned for that. I don't know when. I need to catch up on a little sleep. I need to catch up on a little work. Just need to be in the right headspace, I guess. So, Discord bros, I hope y'all are doing good over there. I'll come back at some point. I'm thinking it might be once I'm on the road. Or sooner. I don't know. Definitely going to try and make an effort to do the live stream. I do enjoy the live streams, and I really enjoy chatting with all you guys when I'm working on something, and can engage with the chat and show you what I'm doing or what I'm working on. But no idea when. I'm just haven't found the time. I've been really busy on this. Everything's going really good with the momentum on the rebuilds, the projects. She's looking good. I can't wait. I can't wait to get her back out on the road. I can't wait to put all the lights in. Those are gonna be cool. I'm going to have some extra red LEDs, and I saw these holes, and I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead and put some in there too, on the back of the body. Add some LED lights there and right here. She's gonna be all lit up. Just gotta drill them out a little bit. Might even make these ones back here blink. Need to add a couple. You know, the body's got all the ambers for the side markers. We'll put one right here, and then a red one at the very back on the side. Can make some tabs or something to mount them. Anyway, I look forward to wrapping her up. I've done some cleaning up in here. Got a lot of the tools out. Almost all the tools. Pretty much all the tools except for the vacuum cleaner. Couple rags. Yeah, cleaned up real good in here. Getting prepared for the tanks. You know, a little cleanup. And you pick up, and you go around and pick up what I can. Do some sweeping. Need to put the dashboard back in. Yep, tanks coming up. Let's get that flatbed done. Got some painting on it to do. Tanks. Upper floor. Plumbing. Not too much left to do. I feel like I'm actually real close to being done with this massive project. Holy moly. I'm sure there's a bunch of little things I'm forgetting. Air conditioner needs to go in. Vents need to go in. Need to build a shower. Install the toilet somewhere. I still haven't really decided on what I'm doing with that yet. Oh yeah, I can't wait. So anyway, a little update for you guys. Hope you all are doing well. Thank you supporters. Thank you members. Thank you VIP members. I haven't figured out what to do for a special video for you guys yet. Might be just a little personal vlog, a little personal update. Get a little, maybe just talk about a couple things with you guys. Plans, future plans. I'm not sure yet. VIPs, thank you so much for your support. Members, viewers, subscribers, everybody. Thank you all so much. We'll be back out on the road soon. I can't wait. Stay tuned. We got lots coming up. Bye-bye.